Hello students, good morning. Now welcome to our English class. In English, today we will complete page number 72 and 73 in English book. Okay, English phonics book. This book, phonics book. And today's our topic is in, on and under. I and in, O and on, A and D, and U and D E R, under. These are in, on, under. These are position words. These words tells where is the object. These words tells the position of any object. W-E, we, U-S-E, use, O-N, on, F-O-R, for, O-B-J-E-C-T-S, objects, O-N, on, T-O-P, top, O-F, of, SOMETHING, something. We use on, this word. We use on for objects on top of something. For on is used for object on top of something. Next, U and DER, under, FOR, for, THOSE, those, BELOW, blow, under, for, those, blow. Under word tell the position of objects that they are below position. A and D and I and in, FOR, for, THOSE, those, INSIDE, inside, and in, for, those, inside. And in word is used for inside things. Now let's some sentences. First you will read the sentence and after that we will watch the picture what these words telling. Okay, HAT, hat, IS, is, ON, on, THE, the, CHAIR, chair. Hat is on the chair. Where is hat? Hat is on the chair. On means upar. Okay. Where is hat? On the chair. Here is a chair and on the chair there is a hat. On word is telling the position of hat. Now look here. MONKEY, monkey. IS, is, ON, on, THE, the, TREE, tree. Monkey is on the tree. Where is monkey? Monkey is on the tree. On word is telling the position of monkey. Look at this picture. Where is monkey? Monkey is on the tree. Now next. BABY, baby. IS, is, IN, THE, the, CARDLE, cardle. Baby is in the cardle. Where is baby? In the cardle. Here is a cardle and baby is in the cardle. Now in word is tell the position of baby. Next, bird, bird. I is, is, in, the, sky. Baby is in, bird is in the sky. Where is bird? In the sky. Look here, look at the picture. Here is a bird and it is in the sky. Next, pillow, pillow. Is, under, the, coat. This is a coat and under the coat there is a pillow. So under word is telling the position of pillow. Where is pillow? Under the coat. Next, puppy, puppy. Is, under, the, table. Puppy is under the table. Here is a table and under this table there is a puppy. So under word is telling the position of this puppy. Where is puppy? Under the table. Table ke niche. Okay. Now next page. This page is also related with in, on and under. Okay. WHERE. Where. Where means kahan. Where. Is, used to, ask, a, question, about, objects, position. Where is used to ask a position about an object's question about an object's position. Where word is used for ask question about an object's position. Okay. Here we read about the position of things and where is also used for tell the position of objects. OBSERVE, observe, and ANSWER, answer, TO2 HELP, me, FIND, find, my, FRIENDS, friends. Observe and answer to help me find my friends. Here is a bird and it is saying observe the things, observe the objects and help me for find my friends. Now he is asking WHERE, where, is, my, FRIEND, friend, CROW, crow. Where is my friend crow? Now CROW, crow. Is dash, the, bird, house. Crow is dash the bird house. Now look here. Look at the picture. Here is bird house. It is bird house. And on the bird house there is a crow. Now we are to tell the position of crow. Where is my friend crow? Crow is on the bird house. So we will write here O N, on. Okay. Now next question. WHERE, where. IS, MY, my. FRIEND, friend. PARROT, parrot. Where is my friend parrot? Where is parrot? Look at the parrot. Here is parrot. And next sentence, PARROT, parrot. Is dash the BIRDHOUSE, bird house. Parrot is dash the bird house. Now look here. Here is parrot and it is bird house. So where is parrot? Parrot is inside the bird house. Crow was on the bird house and parrot is inside the bird house. So we will write here parrot is in. For inside we will use in the bird house. Now next question. WHERE, where. Is my, my. FRIEND, friend. DUCK, duck. Where is my friend duck? Now we are to watch the duck. Where is duck? Duck is here. Okay, now next sentence we will read. After then we will tell about the duck. DUCK, duck. Is dash THE, the. BIRD, bird. HOUSE, house. Duck is dash the bird house. Now look here. Here is bird house and duck is here. Now we are to tell the position of bird duck on the base of bird house. Okay. Duck is dash the bird house. Bird house is here and duck is here. Bird house is on a pole and duck is under the bird house. So we will write here duck is UNDER, under the bird house. Okay. Now next sentence. It. Is dash THE, the. POND, pond. Now we will give this sentence answer. We will fill the position of duck on the base of pond. Okay. Duck is dash the pond. Here is a pond and duck is inside the pond. So we will write here it is in. For inside we will use in. Duck is in the pond. Okay students. So you are to read both these space and you are to fill in, on, under. You are to complete both this space. Bye bye.